I picked up these cute little mirrors for $1.50 a piece. I got 2 of them at the thrift store, and I took them from blah to awesome, which is a little bit of DIY paint. I'm going to show you how I do that.
The easy thing is, you can pop it out, clean it, and paint this. Easy peasy. Things like that sell really well, so when you're at the thrift store, make sure you look for little things like this that you can easily take apart, clean, and paint. And I'm going to use my old 57 from DIY Paint, and I'm going to use Bohemian Blue over that. I'm going to use a lot of old 57 and just a tiny bit of boho blue with water. I'm going to give a nice sloppy 2 coats of old 57 on both the mirrors. And then when that's all dry, I will show you what I'm going to do with the Bohemian Blue.
You can choose to leave some of the gold showing, or you can make sure that it's all nice and covered and reveal it later too. After I have let my 2 coats completely dry, I come in with a very watery Bohemian Blue and just dab it on my piece, and then I'm spritzing it with my water mister. This disperses the water, and since the old 57 isn't sealed yet, it will kind of absorb into it and create this watercolor effect. It's pretty cool. The dark Bohemian Blue will settle into the crevices, and on the higher spots it'll be a lighter shade of color, so it gives it some depth, some weathered look to it too. And after all that's dry, I come in with a wax. Sometimes I use a brush on sealer, but in this case it's just wall decor. I'm just putting on a quick wax, and then I buff it out with a microfiber, and I cleaned the mirrors, and look how awesome they are now. For something that I got for $3, I'm going to sell them for $15 a piece.